Welcome to our guide on fire alarm system types for businesses.
Fire alarm systems are crucial for ensuring the safety of your employees and assets. Choosing the right system is vital. First, let's explore conventional fire alarm systems. These systems divide your property into zones. When an alarm is triggered, it indicates a general area, but not the exact device. Conventional systems are ideal for smaller businesses with straightforward layouts, offering a cost-effective solution. Next, we have addressable fire alarm systems. Addressable systems provide exact location details for each device, allowing for quicker and more precise incident response. These systems are perfect for medium to large businesses that require more detailed information and scalability. Now, let's look at wireless fire alarm systems. Wireless systems use radio frequencies instead of physical wiring, making installation faster and less disruptive. They are particularly suited for historical buildings where preserving aesthetics is important, or for quick installations. Finally, we have intelligent fire alarm systems. These advanced systems offer integration with other building management systems, providing comprehensive safety and control. Intelligent systems are ideal for complex operations that demand enhanced safety features and detailed data insights. Choosing the right fire alarm system is crucial for your business's safety. Consider your specific needs and consult with experts to make an informed decision.